1. What is the correct way to create a row vector containing elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in MATLAB? A. V equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. E. V equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. C. V equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. D. V equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2. Which operator is used for element-wise multiplication of two matrices in MATLAB? A. A start. B. Dot. Dot. C. D. Hashtag. Dot. 3. What does the command A243 return if A is a 5 by 5 matrix? A. Elements from row 2 to 4 of column 3. B. Elements from column 2 to 4 of row 3. C. A 2 by 4 submatrix starting at column 3. D. The element at position 2, 4 and 3, 3. 4. Which function is used to find the size of a matrix in MATLAB? A. Length. B. Dim. C. Size. D. Size of. Dot. 5. What is the output of the expression 5 squared in MATLAB? A. 10. B. 25. C. 32. D. 7. 6. Which command is used to clear all variables from the MATLAB workspace? A. Delete all. B. Clear all. C. Remove all. D. Erase all. 7. What does the colon operator 129 generate in MATLAB? A. 129. B. 13579. C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. D. 2, 4, 6, 8. 8. Which function computes the inverse of a matrix A in MATLAB? A inverse A. B. C. B and C. 9. What is the result of I3 in MATLAB? A 3 by 3 matrix of ones. A 3 by 3 identity matrix. C a 3 one column vector. D a 1 by 3 row vector of ones. 10. Which symbol is used to suppress output display in MATLAB? A. B. C semicolon. D period. 11. What does the function 0s 2, 3 create? A 2 by 3 matrix filled with ones. B a 3 by 2 matrix filled with zeros. C a 2 by 3 matrix filled with zeros. D a 2 by 3 matrix filled with random numbers. 12. Which function is used to find the eigenvalues of a matrix? Eigen. B. C eigenvalue. D. 13. What is the correct syntax for a for loop in MATLAB? A for I equal 1 to 10. B for 1 as plus. C for I equals 110. D for I in range 110. 14. Which function returns the number of elements in an array? A count. B. C elements. D. 15. What does the command A' do in MATLAB? A computes the inverse of A. B computes the conjugate transpose of A. C computes the determinant of A. D creates a copy of A. 16. Which function is used to generate a matrix of random numbers between 0 and 1? A. Random. B. Rand. Dot. C. Rand. D. Randn. 17. What is the correct way to define a function in MATLAB? A. Def my function. B. Function output equals my function. Dot. C. Func my function. D. Define my function. 18. Which operator performs matrix right division in MATLAB? A. / dot. B. / dot. C. double / dot. D. period / dot. 19. What does linspace 0, 10, 5 return? A. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. B. From 0 to 2.5, 5, 7.5, 10. C. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. D. 0, 5, 10. 20. Which command is used to add a title to a plot in MATLAB? A. Name, title. B. Title, title. C. Heading, title, dot. D. Label, title. 21. What is the result of mod 17.5 in MATLAB? A. 3, dot. B. 2. C. 3.4. D. 5. 22. Which function concatenates two matrices horizontally? A. vcat. B. horsecat. C. append. D. merge. 23. What does the diag v function do when v is a vector? A. returns the diagonal elements of v. E. creates a diagonal matrix with v on the main diagonal. C. computes the trace of v. D. returns the anti-diagonal elements. 24. Which logical operator represents AND in MATLAB? A. and dot. B. and dot. C. and dot. D. both B and C. 25. What is the output of floor -3.7 in MATLAB? A. -3. B. -4. C. 3. D. 4. 26. Which function is used to solve a system of linear equations? A. x equals b. A. solve A. B. B. A. space B. C. linsolve A. B. D. both B and C. 27. What does reshape A, 2, 6, if A is a 3x4 matrix? A. creates a 2x6 matrix by rearranging elements column-wise. B. creates a 6x2 matrix by rearranging elements row-wise. C. returns an error because dimensions don't match. D. creates a 2x6 matrix filled with zeros. 28. Which command saves all workspace variables to a file? A. store file name, dot. B. save file name, dot. C. export file name, dot. D. write file name, dot. 29. What is the result of strict comp MATLAB and MATLAB in MATLAB? A. 1, true. B. 0, false. C. error. D. equal. 30. Which function returns the maximum value and its index in a vector? A. max v. B. value index equals max v. C. maximum v. D. find max v. 31. What does the command hold on do in MATLAB plotting? A. pauses the plot execution. B. retains the current plot when adding new plots. C. locks the axis limits. D. freezes the figure window. 32. Which function is used to compute the determinant of a matrix? A. determinant A. B. det A. C. deter A. D. A. 33. What is the result of sum A2 if A is a matrix? A. Sum of all elements in A. B. Column-wise sum of A. C. Row-wise sum of A. D. Sum of the second row of A. 34. Which keyword is used to exit a loop prematurely in MATLAB? A. Exit. B. Stop. C. Break. D. Quit. 35. What does find A greater than 5 return? A. Elements of A greater than 5. B. Indices of elements in A greater than 5. C. Count of elements in A greater than 5. D. Logical array indicating elements greater than 5. 36. What is the correct syntax for creating a cell array in MATLAB? A. C equals 1, text, 3.14, dot. B. C equals 1, text, 3.14. C equals 1, text, 3.14, dot. DC equals 1, text, 3.14. 37. Which function is used to compute the rank of a matrix? A. Rank A. B. RKA. C. Matrix rank A. E. RNKA. 38. What does the command who display in MATLAB? A. The current username. B. List of variables in the workspace. C. The MATLAB version. D. List of available functions. 39. Which function is used to create a structure in MATLAB? A. Structure. B. Struct. C. Create struct. New struct. 40. What is the result of CL-2.3 in MATLAB? A. -3. B. -2. C. 2. D. 3.